Hello students, today we are going to see mathematics first topic rational and irrational numbers. Up to 7th standard you have studied different types of numbers like odd numbers, even numbers, prime numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. So once again we are going to recall these numbers. So first, what is natural numbers? Natural numbers are all the positive numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. These are all called as natural numbers. Here we start from 1, whereas in whole numbers here we start from 0. That means from 0 to all positive numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. These are all called as whole numbers. And the next type is integers. In the integers, we take both positive numbers as well as negative numbers, and here 0 is also included. That means integers are those numbers where we take all the positive numbers 1, 2, 3 as well as negative numbers -1, -2, -3 and 0. These are all called as integers. Next, we are going to see rational numbers. The numbers of the form m divided by n are called as rational numbers. That means if we write any number in the form of m upon n, then that number is called as rational numbers. But in this, the most important one is m and n are integers. That means in this fraction both these m and n must be integers, and n is not 0. N must be always not equal to 0. If n is equal to 0, then it is not the rational numbers. For example, here -10 upon 7, here the sign is negative. Even though it is negative, it is a one type of rational number. Next example is -4, 0, 2, 4, 7 upon 3. Here see 3. The denominator here is 3 and it is not equal to 0. 5 upon 6, etc. These are all called as rational numbers. Simply we have to remember that if any number where the denominator is not equal to 0, then that number is called as a rational number. Here see, here we have taken the example as 2. Here 2 is nothing but 2 divided by 1 is also equal to 2. Here 1 is not equal to 0. That means it is also one type of rational number. The next example we have taken here 4. 4 is nothing but, that means here the denominator is 1. 4 upon 1 is also equal to 4. These are all the examples of rational number. Now we are going to show the rational numbers on a number line. The first example is we have to show 7 upon 3, 2, -2 upon 3 on a number line. So how to draw the number line? We can draw this number line using the scale. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here to the left side of 0, that is negative numbers -1, -2, -3. On this number line we have to show these numbers 7 upon 3, 2 and -2 upon 3 on this number line. 7 upon 3 is nothing but 7 multiplied by 1 upon 3. That is, here the denominator is in this example is 3. So we have to divide each unit 0 to 1, it is nothing but 1 unit, and we have to divide this one each unit into 3 equal parts because the denominator is 3. If they will give us denominator 4, then we will divide each unit into 4 equal parts. Whatever may be the denominator, we have to divide each unit into that equal parts. If the denominator is 5, then we have to divide each unit into 5 equal parts. If the denominator is 6, then we have to divide each unit into 6 equal parts. Then here now we are going to see these rational numbers on a number line. So the first one is 7 upon 3. That means we have to show this 7 upon 3 on a number line. So the denominator is 3. Here we have divided each unit into 3 equal parts. See here, from this it is one part, second part and third part. Now we have to show 7 upon 3 on the number line. So to show this 7 upon 3, we have to count the points from 0. Here the number is positive. So we have to count the number points from 0 to right side. See here, from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This one is nothing but the 7th point from 0. So here the number is 7 upon 3. We will indicate this as 7 upon 3. Next rational number is 2. It is easy to denote the number 2. Here we denote this as 2. It is nothing but the point 2. The next is minus 2 upon 3. So to denote this minus 2 upon 3, first we are going to denote plus 2 upon 3. We note that positive numbers are on the right side of the 0 and negative numbers are on the left side of the 0. So first we denote the positive number, that is 2 upon 3, on the right side of the 0. Here the denominator is 3. That means we have divided each unit into 3 equal parts. Now we have to denote 2 upon 3. That means from 0 we have to count the 2 points. Now here it is 1 and this one is the 2. That means here the second point is 2 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3. Then now we have to show minus 2 upon 3. Then this minus 2 upon 3 is nothing but it is the number to the left side of the 0 at the same distance as the positive number. Now here the positive number is on the right side and minus 2 upon 3 is on the left side. This is the method to show the rational numbers on a number line.